welcome. I'm going to show you how to get to Skunkworks Academy on the Cisco Network Learning Academy. First, navigate to the Cisco's Network Learning Academy, that is net. Then you scroll down and look for the Find an Academy. So the locator for, just type in Skunkworks Academy, search, voila. If you want to see what courses we offer, simply click on the name and have a look under the courses offered. We have quite a variety. Thank you. Have a good day.